We are the John Man Group.
Hi, I'm John Mann. I'm the team leader of John Mann Group, which actually consists of about 10 people. We're a big team. What we specialize is listing properties, or another word, marketing property. We specialize in probate and trust, so we actually do all the renovation that needed to be done to get the property sold at the highest price.
John and his staff were really able to help us get through the sale of our father's estate. They understood the complexity of the matter, and they were able to empathize and help us get us through that difficult time.
I was so impressed with John. He sold both of my houses on the first showing.
And my track record still stands 100%. I've been in the business for over 13 years, and I love what I do. More importantly, we all love what we do.
John Mann has a great reputation. That's how we found him, and he certainly lived up to it.
If you're looking to sell, give us a call at 1-855-SOLD, S-O-L-D, 911. Or visit us at manrealty.com, ManRealty. Thank you.